How to change how contact names are displayed on your iPhone? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to switch between first name last name and last name first name. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Contacts. Next, scroll down and select Display Order. Here, you'll see two options. First, Last displays contact names with the first name before the last name. Last First displays contact names with the last name before the first name. Simply tap the option you want to use. The change is applied instantly, and your contacts will now appear in the selected display format throughout the contacts and phone apps. Keep in mind that display order changes how names are shown, while sort order controls how contacts are organized in the list. On my device, one of these options may already be selected, but you can switch between them anytime. And that's how to change the contact display order on iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and contact management guides.